I started my career from there as a designer and a photographer and also a content writer. I believe जिन लोगों को अच्छे बॉस मिल जाते हैं ना, वो बदकिस्मत है।
नॉर्मली कहा जाता है कि यार हायर कर रहे हो तो सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री से देखो। आप अगर आज जो कि आप हायरिंग पोजीशन पे हैं तो आपकी प्रेफरेंस क्या होती है?
आपको अल्टो चलानी आती है तो आप मर्सिडीज भी चला लोगे।
आपने स्टार्टअप में डैबल किया, एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दैट।
In my experience, the one thing which get away from you is sleep.
Pressure, high voltage work. What does Rahul do to switch off and recharge his batteries and come back? देख लेना आपको। आपने हर तरह की इंडस्ट्री में काम किया है। What do you see as a difference?
Before that, my journey was of selling dreams. Now this is not a dream. This is reality, bro. Life gives you lemon. You not just make lemonade out of it. You bloody sell those lemonade.
Welcome back to another episode of our podcast Marketing Masala Marke. My name is Ritesh and I'm the founder and CEO of the Kite Flyers. Today we have a very interesting guest on our podcast. He's somebody who's dabbled with multiple career options, started as an engineer, pursued photography and then eventually landed up in marketing. He's somebody who's dabbled in multiple industries, worked with startups, edtech, fashion and finally healthcare. He's somebody who does everything with a lot of passion even today. He's somebody who's not afraid of failure and believes haar nahi manunga. Please join me in welcoming Rahul Agarwal, Vice President, Marketing, Healthians. Welcome, Rahul. Thank you for taking out time and joining us on this podcast. I'm really excited and honored to have you on Marketing Masala Market. Thank you.
Likewise.
All right, so chalo fir let's start from the very beginning. Just walk me through your career graph, education and क्या आपका marketing background था, marketing में interest था, yeah, it just happened. Just walk me through how you reached where you are today.
So I belong to a very small town near Nainital, Rudrapur, and come from a business family.
Okay.
So marketing, sales, spending money and all those things is in my blood from the very beginning. I've always seen my family hustling into business. I've seen basically the pain behind building a business, scaling it up and all those kind of things. So my father always wanted me to become an engineer.
Achha.
And that's where I was put up into science in my 11th. And from that I got no other option than going into an engineering college. So I did my engineering from Roorkee, College of Engineering Roorkee. And after that I came to Delhi to actually become a photographer.
Achha.
Yeah.
Okay.
But after 3-4 months or 6 months of trying that and seeing the pressure from family again, I found a job into marketing space.
Okay.
So from my college days, I was into designing and content writing and all. Marketing was something which was very easy for me to enter, and also the basics of marketing came to me very naturally.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I started with a company which was a startup from a US, and they also had an office in Noida. I started my career from there as a designer and a photographer and also a content writer. Meantime, I was like, the team was very less people. There was only 2 people running everything, the complete show. So the exhibitions, all the offline printing, offline marketing and everything was managed by us. So वहाँ पे जो मुझे learning मिली, that was tremendous. आपको करियर के स्टार्टिंग में अगर इस तरह की लर्निंग मिलती है तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस काफी बढ़ता है.
Right.
You are more into like, okay, I have learned these much of things in such a short time. I'm ready for something more. Right. And also, one should never think of कि I have learned enough. Enough is nothing. It is never enough for anybody to learn. If you want to grow and succeed, it's always a road ahead that you have to travel. There is no ending of it. Then I worked after working for 2 years there, I got my hands into edtech space. The edtech space was at boom. It was growing and rising in 2000, early 14 and 15.
Okay.
So I joined a company into edtech space and उसके बाद 7 साल मैंने edtech में ही काम करा and proper edtech space को explore करा. Being one of the early members of the team, I also learned how a startup scales and grows. जब कोई कंपनी नई बनती है तो किन किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखा जाता है. And see, you buy a plant versus
Right.
you grow a seed and see every day rising it, growing it. There is a vast difference of understanding in both the things, right?
Right.
And you are more careful about when you see something from the very beginning.
Right.
That I have worked for it to grow from 0 to 1, 1 to 100. I have to take care of it. So that thing came as a passion to me as well, and it came into my nature. Even today, I work for startups, but I take care of it like it's my own startup, and that's the zeal that help you keep growing in your career.
Right.
Right. The best part about this my journey, edtech journey, was I got a chance to work with some of the giants like Naukri.com, Upgrad.com.
Wow.
Right. And Upgrad was starting a new vertical of study abroad. I was the first or second person maybe to get a call from the CBO.
Okay.
Oh, Rahul, would you, like, I'm doing a new startup with Upgrad, would you like to join? I was working with Naukri at that time and I was bored. After working for 2 years, I was bored कि अब यहाँ पे बड़ा monotonous सा काम हो गया है. There is nothing left. Also in big organizations, there are processes set for everything. There is very less room for new experiments and things like that.
True.
So I joined Upgrad. Then I was thinking of taking a break from edtech space. हो गए थे 7 साल. It's like अब कुछ और explore करते हैं. And also उस time पे the COVID hit. Right, the COVID wave came. And मैंने COVID में घर बैठ के एक चीज notice करी. Everything is coming to your home. People are also getting very used to of it. At home services.
Right.
At home this, at home that. Right. Then I also thought of let me learn this space. This is something which is very new to me. How does at home services market actually plays? How to convince someone that services will come to your home and it will be authentic.
Yeah.
And exploring this space, I got to know about Yes Madam. I got a call from Yes Madam and I joined them. It was a good company. It is a good company and India, one of the fastest growing company in at home salon services in India.
Right.
So I was there for 2 years into head of marketing positions. Grew it from very small to a very big size. Then I like after working for 2 years in Yes Madam, again I did my startup also in between. I skipped that. So in 2015, I did my first startup, which was designer t-shirts, and the name was Moxa. Raised some funding from my father and some of my savings, and I started it with one of my cousin. But at that time, it didn't went very well. After the failure of that startup, after like 6 months maybe, we were ended up with a pile of t-shirts on our chest, and we were thinking, "Isko beche kahan?" And that's where the real journey started. Online बेचना था, बिका नहीं. हम लोग गए, उस टाइम पे ग्लोबस था, ऋतु वेयर्स था, शॉपर शॉप जो स्टार्ट ही हुआ था. इन लोगों ने हमसे बोला कि 10-10 लाख की इन्वेंट्री, यू हैव टू कीप इट इन आवर स्टोर्स एंड द पेमेंट विल बी आफ्टर 6 मंथ्स. आई सेड कि अगर इन्हें 10 लाख की इन्वेंट्री में दे दूंगा, मेरे पास तो 5 लाख की कुल है. हाउ विल आई रेज मनी? एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर पिचेस. आई स्टार्टेड रीचिंग आउट टू इन्वेस्टर, बट आई वाज वेरी इमेच्योर. मेरे को कॉलेज पास आउट हुए हुए सिर्फ 2 साल हुए थे. और इस टाइप का कोई एनवायरनमेंट भी नहीं मिला, ना ही ऐसे कुछ लोग मेरे सराउंडिंग में थे जो मुझे गाइड करें, यार दिस इज द वे टू रेज फंड्स एंड ऑल, फंडिंग कैसे लाई जाती है.
राइट.
और मेरे जो कजन था वो भी इमेच्योर ही थे, तो 2 बच्चे निकल पड़े स्टार्टअप करने के लिए. इट वाज लाइक दैट. राइट. सो हमने शॉप्स जाके जो भाव में हमने टी शर्ट बनवाए थे, वी सोल्ड टू देम. द कंडीशन वाज यू हैव टू बाय मिनिमम 100 पीसेस.
अच्छा.
और हमने ऐसे 100 करके वी सेल द एंटायर थिंग. नाउ फ्रॉम ऑल दिस सिनेरियो, वन थिंग व्हिच आई गॉट टू नो आफ्टर थिंकिंग फॉर डेज कि व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग. भाई आपने स्टार्टअप करा है, आप वो फेल हो गया, आप सोचोगे ना बैठ के गलत क्या हुआ. फ्रॉम देयर आई गॉट अ थिंग, द थिंग व्हिच आई लैक्ड वाज सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. डिजिटल सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग मुझे नहीं आती.
ओके.
उसके बाद द फर्स्ट नौकरी व्हिच आई जॉइंड वाज इनटू कोर मार्केटिंग, एंड दैट्स वेयर माय मार्केटिंग जर्नी स्टार्टेड, एंड टुडे हियर आई एम.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very interesting. For anybody, you've kind of traveled the entire spectrum. I know there's a long career ahead of you. पर अभी तक जितना देखा जाए तो आपने स्टार्टअप से शुरू किया, फिर एक गुड साइज कंपनी लाइक Naukri.com उसमें काम किया. अब ग्रैड जो तब स्टार्ट होके जा रही थी उसको शार्क टैंक लेकर गए, फिर अपना स्टार्टअप भी किया. उसके बाद Yes Madam, which is again the organization that was growing. फिर अब हेल्थियंस में हैं आप, मतलब. So ये इतना वास्ट और वेरीड जो एक्सपीरियंस आपका रहा, एज अ पर्सन और एज अ प्रोफेशनल इसने आपको कैसे शार्पन किया दैट what you are today? So I mean, what did it do for you?
So there are people who work in an industry or a company for 10 years, right? And they became a master of one thing. I believe learn everything 99%, but learn many.
Okay.
Don't become a 100% expert of anything, because something like 100% doesn't exist. So I keep on transitioning my career to newer markets, to newer industries, to gain a learning of everything. And the hunger for learning everything is again because in the back of your mind you still have a question: are you going to do a startup again? And that is still a big question, which will be your answer soon. I believe so. So I was exploring the options for me to gain a knowledge of a startup where I can have my own startup in something similar.
Got it.
And also it helped me learn a perspective of different marketplaces also. How do people behave towards a certain product? What should be the right mix of marketing, communication and strategy to sell something like this? And when you start exploring newer industry, you get a wider perspective of every type of people, right? And maybe you tried something to sell in a edtech space, and that idea also worked for something in the beauty space or a healthcare space, right? And I have not just worked on a managerial positions always. I have started from a very niche. I used to write Facebook posts, Instagram posts. I used to do postings also, right? तो बहुत बेसिक से करियर स्टार्ट किया. I'm not blessed like I am or IIT कि सीधा आए और आप मैनेजर बन के बैठे हुए. I'm not from a very good college, even in my BTech or even in my MBA also. So whatever I am today is just because of a hunger of learning. And one thing which have always helped me, I have got a very good kind of bosses. The bosses which are always ready with the kick behind your ass, right? I believe जिन लोगों को अच्छे बॉस मिल जाते हैं ना, वो बदकिस्मत है.
अच्छा.
Yes.
Why do you say
A
that?
bad boss is always a good person for your career. He will never stop counting on you. He will never let you stop. Whatever you do, you achieve your targets, you do very good, he will again say you would have done better. And that's where you get that anger inside you कि अब दिखाता हूँ इसे. तो आप अपनी जब लिमिट्स को क्रॉस करने की क्षमता रखते हो ना किसी के कहने पे, that's where your actual growth starts. But that is what I believe. And I have got bosses like that only. जान के पीछे पड़े हुए हैं.
very beautiful thought. जब आपने ये अलग अलग चीज़ें करी, आपने अपना स्टार्टअप भी किया, और नॉर्मली एक जनरल व्यू होता है कि आज जैसे अब आप हायरिंग पोजीशन पे हैं, आप लोगों को हायर करते हैं अपनी टीम में, नॉर्मली कहा जाता है कि यार हायर कर रहे हो तो सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री से देखो, यू नो, क्योंकि वो पहले दिन आएगा और पहले दिन से ही दौड़ने लग जाएगा, राइट? क्योंकि सब पता है उसे कहीं से आ रहा है. वर्सेस आप एक आपका एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, मान लीजिए यस मैडम से आके आप करंट वाली इंडस्ट्री में आ गए, आप अपनी कंपनी में कोई तालमेल एज सच बहुत ज़्यादा है नहीं. आप अगर आज जो कि आप हायरिंग पोजीशन पे हैं, तो जब आपके सामने ऐसा डिलेमा आता है तो आपकी प्रेफरेंस क्या होती है?
So I believe that just having a good skill set and knowledge of tools is not enough. A person that I hire should also be strong knowledge of his domain, a individual team worker, a person who believes in learning never ends, and a person who is religious. अच्छी बात करने से या अच्छे मार्केटिंग टूल्स चलाने से, फेसबुक गूगल एड्स की बढ़िया नॉलेज होने से काम नहीं चलेगा. You have to be person who is self motivated, right? और मैं बिलीव करता हूँ कि एक ऐसा बंदा लाओ जो 10 साल ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस हो. सी देयर इज अ डिफरेंशिएटर पॉइंट. आपको बंदा कैसा चाहिए? इफ़ यू वांट समवन, आपकी टीम है बैठी हुई है 5 साल से. अब कहीं ना कहीं ये मैंने अपने करियर में नोटिस करा है कि जब टीम थोड़ी पुरानी हो जाती है तो उनका माइंडसेट ना स्टक होता है. हम जो करते आ रहे हैं वो सही करते आ रहे हैं, हमने जो देखा है वो अच्छा देखा है, बहुत देखा है, और यही चलता आ रहा है. इस जगह पे आपको एक ऐसा बंदा चाहिए होता है जिसको कुछ पता ही ना हो, जो एकदम फ्रेश पर्सपेक्टिव से आए और एक नया कैनवस ड्रॉ करे. तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन वेदर यू वांट अ रिप्लेसमेंट और यू वांट अ एडिशनल आइटम टू बी एडेड टू योर टीम.
बट वुड यू प्रेफर समबडी हु इज फ्रॉम अ सिमिलर इंडस्ट्री, और जैसे कि आपके साथ लोगों ने चांस लिया?
अगेन दैट डिपेंड्स. a person with a similar skill set is always better. Similar industry से होना ना होना वो जरूरी नहीं है मेरे लिए.
अच्छा.
ये वही वाली बात हुई यार, आपको अल्टो चलानी आती है तो आप मर्सिडीज भी चला लोगे. तो मैं ऐसा ही बंदा देखता हूँ. मुझे इससे मतलब नहीं है कि बंदा पहले से सुपर कार चला रहा है, नहीं. बंदे को गाड़ी चलानी आनी चाहिए, उसे सुपर कार कैसे चलानी है वो मैं बताऊंगा.
ओके.
We will train him accordingly as per our needs with obviously his fresh set of ideas.
आपने अपने स्टार्टअप में डैबल किया, जो बीच में आपने थोड़े वक्त किया कोविड के दौरान, वहाँ से निकले, बोर हो गए. और ये बड़ा कॉमन फिनोमेना है आजकल. थोड़ा लोग लेट बोर होते हैं, बट बोर हर कोई होता है. कुछ आदमी बोरियत में भी लगे रहते हैं, कुछ आदमी बोरियत में करके कुछ और अपनी कोशिश करते हैं. When that happened, and you decided to kind of do your own thing for some time. Tell me a little experience. What was it that was going in your mind when you started, and of course when you exited? You know, it was a journey, right? I mean, it may have seen highs and lows and whatever. Just give me a little experience of that.
So I'll give you my recent experience, which was before joining Healthians. In my experience, the one thing which get away from you is sleep.
Achha.
And that is for true. हमें लगता है कि यार बंदा स्टार्टअप का मालिक है, मर्सिडीज चलाता होगा, घर जाके एसी में एक अच्छी सी वाइन पी के सोता होगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. आई हैव बीन विद मेनी फाउंडर्स हु ओन्स मर्सिडीज एंड स्टिल दे हैव स्लीपलेस नाइट्स. राइट, आई हैव वर्कड वेरी क्लोजली विद फाउंडर्स एंड हैव अ डीप इनसाइट इन देयर लाइव्स. तो पहली चीज जो होती है, यू ऑलवेज कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंक ऑफ हाउ टू मेक इट वर्क. you know you have to make it work. And you always think you are bathing and the shower is on and you are constantly thinking आज क्या नया करना है, या कल जो अधूरा रह गया था उसे आज कैसे पूरा करना है. तो आपका जो टाइम मैनेजमेंट होता है ना, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आने लग जाता है आपके अंदर. यू ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट गेटिंग अप अर्ली, यू ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट स्लीपिंग लेट, यू आर ऑलवेज इन सर्च ऑफ समथिंग. दैट इज व्हाट आई थॉट, जस्ट टू मेक इट द थिंग्स वर्क. राइट, अपना आराम, अपना फैमिली वगैरह तो छूट जाता है. I remember it was my anniversary.
Okay.
And I came home late at around 12 p.m. After it was over. And this happens. The things are more important. एक बार अगर आपका स्टार्टअप चल गया, then everybody will praise your that given time to your business, या जो भी आपके sacrifices थे, they honor it. तो लगे रहो. Simple है.
So,
was I able to answer your question?
No, of course you were. मैं थोड़ा सा और प्रूव करूँगा आपको. तो टेल मी, जब आप उस बीच में थे, यू नो व्हेन थिंग्स वर वर्किंग, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ ग्रेट हाई. सब अपने हिसाब से हो रहा है, सब कुछ हुए जा रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, यू नो, ऑल द गुड थिंग्स. व्हेन इट्स नॉट वर्किंग, जो चीज़ें आप चाह रहे हो वो नहीं हो रही हैं, राइट? यू हैव पीपल हु आर देयर वर्किंग फॉर यू, करेक्ट? जैसे आपने अभी बोला, उनकी ग्रोथ, उनकी सैलरी, अब मेरा एम्बिशन वगैरह वगैरह, राइट? तो जब वो थोड़ा सा रफ पीरियड होता है so how did you manage yourself then? What were the things that kept you there?
Kept me motivated. Yeah. So in my case also there was rough time, right? And the rough time became more rough when you go home back and you know that इस महीने भी you are not able to earn anything, right? जब आपकी एक फिक्स सैलरी आ रही होती है ना, तो चीज़ें थोड़ी कंफर्टेबल रहती हैं. नाउ ऑल यू हैव इज योर सेविंग. आपको सेविंग से अपना स्टार्टअप भी चलाना है और अपना घर भी चलाना है. तो कभी कभार यू गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड ऑल्सो टेंस्ड एट द सेम टाइम दैट हाउ विल यू मैनेज योर फाइनेंसेस. ठीक है, यू आर बिल्डिंग अ ड्रीम. सो एट टाइम्स आई ऑल्सो गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड थिंक ऑफ लाइक यार क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं और क्यों कर रहा हूँ. बट देन माई फाउंडर केम अगेन टू मी, यार क्या बात कर रहा है, करना है बे. नौकरी अभी 4-5 महीने का तो नुकसान हो ही गया ना, 4-5 महीने और देके देखते क्या पता चली जाए. एंड द थिंग विच केप्ट मी मोटिवेटेड दैट टाइम वाज माय फेस ऑफ माय किड, कि जो मैं सफर कर रहा हूँ वो ये सफर नहीं करेगा. आई ट्राइड माय ओन स्टार्टअप बिकॉज ऑफ माय सन, कि एटलीस्ट ही शुड नॉट स्टार्ट हिज जर्नी फ्रॉम जीरो. काफी सारे मैं यूट्यूब मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देखता हूँ. आई गॉट अ वीडियो कि there was a samosa seller which said ki to a IT company professional that your kid will start from zero again, but I'll give my shop to my kid and he will start from 1 lakh.
Wow.
Or maybe 2 lakhs or whatever that thela would have been to a shop at that time. So that thing motivated me a lot. यार बात तो सही है. अभी मैं नौकरी कर रहा हूँ, मेरा बेटा भी नौकरी करेगा. But ठीक है, we tried a lot, and there was times when we thought of shutting it down. We also had a on-off hiring, firing at times. Financial things, I started getting out some time from my business, and I started a consultancy thing. I was
Excellent.
doing a freelancing consultancy, and it helped me mentally to stable my finances and to work more peacefully for my startup growth.
Got it. चलो I'll close on this with one question. आपके अंदर का entrepreneur शांत हो गया है या नहीं?
See, आग नहीं बुझी, चिंगारियां हैं.
ठीक है.
Sorry, I'm being a little dramatic over here.
नहीं ठीक है.
It
That's what
will
I've
be
heard.
someday. See, someday will be there, and the day is not far. But it is always there. Ki everything has a time. Maybe it's not my time. And the wonderful part is that your learning is not stopping you.
Yeah.
Right? Your learning never stops. Today I'm working at Healthians. I'm working with a wonderful boss. I get to learn a new thing from him every day. There are so many people surrounding me. I get to learn so many things from them also. A newer challenges there on our table every week. We think constantly on solving it. So problem solving and all these skills are brushing it up every time.
Absolutely.
And maybe all this collectively I will use on one of my startups someday, which will eventually be successful.
100%. I mean, it's a very common story. Mr. Murthy, Infosys,
Yeah.
he did like 7 failed attempts before he created Infosys. So obviously that's great.